Top 5 suppliers of custom steel products in Singapore you can trust. Singapore is an ideal place to source custom steel products due to the country's high-quality steel and metal products, competitive prices, and short delivery times. Here are the top 5 suppliers of custom steel products in Singapore you can trust. 1. WWG Engineering is a leading custom steel products manufacturer in Singapore with over 10 years of experience. Their products include stainless steel fabricators, custom metal parts manufacturers, and custom steel product suppliers. 2. XingTongDa Steels is a leading stainless steel fabricator in Singapore with over 10 years of experience. They offer a wide range of stainless steel products, including custom metal parts manufacturers, custom steel product suppliers, and stainless steel fabrication options. 3. Ironman Fabrication is another leading custom metal product suppliers in the world. They manufacture high-quality stainless steel products for a variety of customers, including custom metal parts manufacturers, stainless steel fabricators, and custom steel product suppliers. 4. Cayenne Wat Metal is a leading metal fabricator in Singapore with years of experience. They offer a wide range of services that include cutting, bending and assembling of different metals like steel, aluminium and mild steel products. 5. Fujitsu is a leading stainless steel fabricator in Singapore with specialization in customized stainless steel products. If you are looking for a reliable and qualified custom steel product supplier in Singapore, be sure to check out these 5 suppliers.